I have a haul from BeeBeeCraft. They reached out to me and asked if I want to do a collaboration with them. Of course, I couldn't refuse. I love their products. I've actually bought products from them before as well. So one thing I want to show you was I love how they package. Like, it's in a bubble mailer and then they line it with another bubble little like envelope thing. I love how they package their stuff. This I stuck in here because I wanted to make sure that I didn't mess it up. But look, my little umbrellas, they actually bubble wrapped. They always wrap everything so safely. So I'll link all these products down below in the description box. I'll link my coupon code Nicole10 to save you 10% off of your purchase. So let's see what I got. For $5.30, I am obsessed with these, you guys. Look at these little umbrellas, and they have blue flowers. You guys know I'm a sucker for blue flowers. Ever since Sunny Boy, before he could even talk, he would point or grab me blue flowers. So love those. Those have a very special place in my heart, so I had to get those. I think you get, was it 10 or a dozen in here? I can't remember. Okay, these I made a boo-boo. I tell you guys all the time, read the description of your items. Do I learn from my own advice? No, I don't. So these are actually bigger than what I thought they were gonna be, but they're these pretty little, they call them flower heads, and I think you could easily snip this off in the back right here, so you could go ahead and like glue them. Yeah, so that was easy. And then you could glue them to your projects. I also wanted to see if I could take them apart and possibly like build them up and glue them. Oh yeah, that was easy too. See, so the petals are actually like right on top of each other. I want to separate them and then do like this. Oh yeah, that's pretty. See where you put the petal in between the other petals like that, and then I could glue a rhinestone right here. I think I'll like that much better. Or even, oh yeah, see, look, I like that too. Or layering multiple colors together. I think that's really pretty. So, okay. I will figure out how to use those. No problemo. So we got those. These were 100 pieces for $5.81. This was $3.78 for this one. I love that this one comes in a little Ziploc bag. And then they send you a little like sample of how you can create earrings with these. And then here is the actual directions on how to do a wire wrapping, how to go ahead and attach them and make them all nice and pretty. So I love that they send you instructions. So in this one, we have our little tassel flowers. Honestly, I wanted this because I wanted the tassel flowers. My intention wasn't to make the earrings. I wanted these for some like chunky charms. And for $3.78, you get a lot of good stuff. So you get those. We have some eye pins. We have some head pins. See, the flat ones are head pins. The ones with the little loop are eye pins. We have earring backs. We have jump rings. Oh, these are really pretty. These like pastel little pearls, and they actually are 2 different sizes in there. And then these are little earring connectors, which are like these right here, which are actually really gorgeous. So if you wear earrings, this is a great kit. I don't. I'm going to be turning this into a chunky charm. For $4.68. Wow, these are heavy. You get a great little container to organize, but we have some lobster clasps here. And we have like an antique gold, a silver, because that'd be like a bronze, right? And oh, this little silver one's different, has a different pattern than that silver one. So that's what we have. Oh, there's like another like brighter gold down here as well. So I thought that was really good. Like I said, I want to do some chunky charms, so that is going to be perfect for that. And then this was $4.44. Double fours, triple fours, that's my brother's lucky number there. So this kit also comes with a little example guide, instruction guide for you. And then, oh, I did not even know that these little bow charms were in here. That's amazing. I actually got these bow charms individually from BeeBeeCraft last time. They were in my last haul, and I'm obsessed with them. I definitely needed to order more because I'm almost out. But we have little unicorn charms in here. There's balloons, tassels, some rings, chain, head pins, eye pins, earring hooks, beads with little pearls, some little like hot air balloons. So you can see right here, like here is everything that is literally included in that little kit for $4.44. That's a steal in my opinion. Next up, for $3.85, I got a little St. Patrick's Day kit, and it comes with your little cord if you want to make some bracelets. There's that. So in this kit, we have glass, and look, at this one is like that cat eye. See how it shifts? Kind of like my nails. So love that. These are really nice. Really like that's like on a pearl. Then these are all glass over here. This is really cool. Look at that. It's like a little ball orb with a little clover inside. That's really cool. Then there's some little clover charms down there. Here's your findings that you need. Over here, same thing. We got some little charms over here. And again, the wonderful little kit. So you're all nice and organized. And then this one too comes with your instruction book. Or instruction sheet. So you're supposed to make little bracelets, but you guys know me. I'm not going to be doing that. There's stuff to make little earrings. I'm not going to be doing that either. I am going to be doing my little chunky charms because that's what I love creating. So that's what we're going to be doing with those. This was $7.19. Ooh, my birthday, July 19th. And these are so cute. I had never seen these before, so I was like, oh my gosh, get into my cart. I definitely need you. Look at these. Isn't that so cool that there is a loop in this wing and a loop in this bottom wing? So you could go ahead and make a little dangle. I just thought that was so cool. I love that there's black and orange because I'm definitely going to use those for Halloween. Like, why can't Halloween be all nice and cutesy, right? So love, love, love those. I can see myself ordering more of those in the future. Then for $3.90, I got another set of butterflies. And these are little charms that come with Lobster Clasp that I am going to be taking apart. So look at that. It has the jump ring, the little lobster clasp, and the little butterfly. So I can either leave it like this, or I can go ahead and take these apart and then add a chain, and then now use these as part of a chunky charm. So I like that it's like, you know, multiple use. So that's why I got those. Ooh, look at that red. That's like my favorite color right there, a darker red. So we have a baby pink, yellow, this like Tiffany color blue, darker pink, light pink. I don't see any like true blues or purple. Oh, there's yellow, white. So a lot of great colors in there. Okay, this one said it was plated in gold. And the photo, it looked like you got a bunch of them. That's what caught my attention. I didn't realize that you get so little. I think it's like 50 pieces for $3.40. But apparently it's plated in gold. That's why they cost so much. And they do have some weight to them. But let's see. We have like a little spacer, some flowers, some hearts. So just like little beads. So I'm going to be using those as well for my chunky charms and I just dropped them. Oh, it wouldn't be me if I didn't drop and lose something, right? So there's those. I love that these come in their own little containers. Okay, this one was like mind blown when I saw it in person. It's so much cuter than what I thought it was through the photo. So this was $4.61, and this is to make little bookmarkers. And they're just so cool. So these are your glass pieces. Again, I love how they package everything. So those are your glass little domes. Try not to get your fingers all over those, because then you're going to be placing them right here. So you're going to put a sticker. You can like paint these and then put a sticker. You can use paper. It just needs to be flat. So you're going to stick it in this portion. Then you're going to put that glass dome right on top and then glue it down. And these are just so cute. So they're little bookmarkers. And then in the back of the bookmarker, it has this like floral engraved design. And then look, it has like a little bow right here. I just think they're so cute. So you have ovals and then you have circles. I was just like, wow, those are so much more cuter in person than it was online. I'm so happy that I grabbed those. And it's funny because this was one item where I was like, yeah, I don't know if I want those or not. And I'm like, yes, I'm so happy that I got those. They're so much cuter in person. And then my last little item that I got was $4.80. And I just thought the like iridescent shine on these were really pretty. And I thought it'd be really nice to use for beadable pins. So look at how pretty these are. Again, packaged perfectly protected. But look, it has that iridescent shine to these. And I'm always looking for beads that will fit right here at the bottom. Because there's like a little hole down here, you see. So some beads just fall right in there and it disappears. So I'm always looking for a bead that I can put at the bottom to just have that little barrier and then start building from. So when I saw these, I'm like, oh, I hope that'll work. And it did. So I'm super happy about that. So yes, love it. There's black, green, light pink, red, blue, white. Oh, this one's like a weird, like clear white down here. You see that? So some of it's like clear and then some of it's white. That's cool. And then there's purple. Oh, like a baby blue. So yes, love those. Tons of beadable pin coming in the future. So that's my little haul today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to their website. I'll link the products and my coupon code Nicole10. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And then stay tuned because I will be doing a follow-up video or 2 follow-up videos on how I use everything. All right, bye guys.